Ayan. Ikubin. Spinning. Lost the ball. Two points. First basket. Intercepted. A traveling violation. Check. 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 Counter steal. Umatake. Lumabas. Offensive rebound. No good. MB Kong. Tie ball game tayo dito sa first quarter. Three-pointer. Short. Offensive rebound by jersey number 10. And jersey number 13 score. Abante ng 2 puntos. Dito ang MB Camp. Nice fake by Kubin. Couldn't finish. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 26 sa Umay. Tabla tayo. And a bonus throw. Dito mama. Airball. Nabitaw na bola. And a steal. Jersey number 99 crossover. And counter steal by jersey number 10. Out of bounds. Turnover. Dinahabol ni jersey number 12. Oh, nice pass. Kiampo. Free throw is good. Second throw, Mintes. Bumawi agad si Ponce. Balik ang Kalamangan. There's a foul. Check. Oh, nice fake. And the finish by jersey number 11. Tingnan natin. Instant replay brought to us by Elite Basketball. Ayun. Napasabay niya si jersey number 30. Timeout tayo. 11-8 ang ating score. MB Camp. Check. Okay, balik tayo. Store. Ito, andito na. Naglalaro sa Davao. Store. Ayun, binigay sa low post kay Kubin in a reverse. No good. There's a foul. Underneath the basket. Jersey number 12. Fouled by player of MB Comp. Jersey number 1. Floater, no good. Garbo for 3. Tie ball game. 3 minutes and 9. Check. Okay. Campo. Bigay kay jersey number 1. Oh, what a defense. Fouled by Canceran. Ito yung mga nag-step up sa ating Padiseo Cup sa Tagum City. We have Store, Canceran from J-Hoops Tagum, and now playing for the hot shot. Nakalusot doon. 2-pointer. Tuloy-tuloy all the way. 2 points. Tabla tayo sa 15 seconds to play. 1 minute and 5. Agawa ng rebound. Offensive rebound by jersey number 25, Delote. Tried to bounce pass it. Pero hindi nahabol ang kanyang kasama. Na turnover out of bounds. That's jersey number 11. Sayang yung pasa. Ganda sana nung cut niya. So yung depensa na taas. Nabitawan yung bola ni Canceran. And that's a turnover. Kempo. Got double teams. Istor with a steal. Istor all the way. Layup is good. Dalawang puntos. Abante. Good defense by Ikubin. Ito, napakataas. Pinasa. And a steal. Jersey number 1. Steal by Canceran. Another counter steal. Kempo na una. And that's the end of the first quarter. Score natin 17-15. Lamang po dito ang hotshots ng 2 puntos at wala ng oras. Si Kempo at Istor Ikubi nagpatuloy pa rin. Shoutout sa mga lahat na nanunood. This is the Elite Basketball Year-End Bakbakan 2025. Ito po ay ating pang-8 laro ngayong araw. This is the 12 under MB Camp versus Hotshots. And thank you po sa 300 star, Mr. Marverick Ojeda. Thank you po for appreciating our live stream. Thank you po sa 300 star. Sabi niya po is quality live. Thank you po. Back to the ball game tayo for the second quarter action. Alfonso, bola ng MB Camp. Bigay kay Serrano. Shout out to 17 viewers. Corner. Oh, good steal by Isor. Deflected that pass. And sayang na turnover. Traveling violation for the big man, jersey number 52 of Hotshots. Store from Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. Napakagaling na point guard nitong batang to. Naiwan. 3-pointer. Napalakas. Offensive rebound. Kanya pa rin. Oh, Black. By Canceran. Istor to Canceran. Intercepted by jersey number 11. Out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng Hotshots. Shoutout po sa inyo. Shout out to Commissioner JR for trusting us, no, sa pag-coverage nitong Elite Basketball. Lumabas pa. Start of the second quarter. No score for both teams. Alfonso tries a floater. Partially blocked. Store. Guarded by Alfonso. Asking for a screen. No. Ampere. Jumper no good. Offensive rebound and a putback by jersey number 26. Sa Umay. First basket dito sa second quarter. And a basket count. 3-pointer. Jersey number 13. Tingnan natin sa instant replay. Ayun na. Tamaan sa kamay ni Canceran at pumasok pa. 4-point play for jersey number 13. Papasok kaya? And hindi pumasok. Yung pang-apat. Istor. Ikubin offensive rebound. Ikubin using the body. 2 points. Court vision pwede. Giancarlo. Another 3-pointer. Nagpapaulan ng 3-pointer dito si jersey number 13 of MB Camp. Hindi ko masyado mabasa yung jersey niya. Barry. Sa ilalim, tatlo yung bantay. Pumasok pa. Jersey number 26. 6 minutes dito sa second quarter. Oh, good steal by jersey number 1. And a counter steal by jersey number 11. Counter steal from behind by Istor. Recovered by Alfonso. Intercepted at the center. Counter steal again. No, recovered by jersey number 1. Partially blocked and my foul. Kita-kita yung frustration ni jersey number 13. Napakaganda sana nung kanyang depensa. Eto, binibigyan na siya ng instruction ni coach. Nanggigil siya doon. Jersey number 1 missed the free throw. 21-23 ang ating score. 5 minutes and 47. Last throw. Still miss. Rebound with jersey number 9. Campo. Advance pass to Alfonso. 2 points. Napaka ganda ng court vision ni Campo doon. Tingnan natin sa replay. Good recognition. Alam na nauna na yung kasama and kaya-kayang saluin. Timeout tayo. Score natin. Tabla tayo sa 23. Shoutout po sa mga gusto mo pa shoutout. Comment lang po kayo. Medyo nabubuhayan tayo ngayon. And back to the ball game. Deadlock tayo. 23. Ito ay pang-8 nating laro. Meron pa tayong 6 na laro ngayong araw. Hanggang mamayang gabi tayo. Message lang ko, Giancarlo. Ansa na jersey mo gusto na ipasabay? Ikubin. Pass down low. Baseline lumabas. Rebound by jersey number 13, Campo. Crossover against Istor. Balik kay Campo. Campo nakalusot. Kick out to Alfonso for 3-pointer. Wala. Good backs out. Good possession na sana. Pinasa sa labas na turnover ni Ponce. Jersey number 99. Istor to Garbo for 3. Mintes. Ponce rebound. Alfonso tried to pass it to Kempo. Intercepted but recovered. Barry. Good transition play by MB Camp. Istor. Nakalusot. Istor. Tumigil. Stop and pop. Jumper no good. Tapik bola palabas. Alfonso with the rebound. Alfonso. Nag-iisa. Napakalaki ng bantay pero nilusutan. At sa 2 points, abante, 4 na puntos dito ang MB Camp. Ikubin. Another intercepted. Fouled by Garbo. Good steal. Tingnan natin yung replay dito. By Alfonso, walang kasama. 2 against 3. At si Garbo pa, napakalaki. Napakabilis nitong Alfonso. Samahan mo pa ng Campo. Serrano, bigay kay Campo. Balik kay Serrano. Jumper. What a rebound. Ito, advance pass. Dalawa yung nauna. 2 points. Jersey number 1. Nabitawan na bola, recovered by Serrano. Parang naalanganin si Serrano doon. Pinatama yung bola sa katawan ni Cafe para ma-out of bounds. Bola pa rin nila. And we have a timeout. Score natin 27-25. 2 puntos for MB Camp. This is the Elite Basketball Year-End Bakbakan 2025. Live stream powered by Court Vision. A big shout out to our Commissioner JR, Coach JR. Live po tayo dito sa Almendras Gym, Tagum City. Kung malapit lang po kayo, pwede po kayong manood ng live action. Free admission po, wala pong babayaran. Pwede po kayong manood. Marami pa pong upuan. Back to the bowl game tayo. 2 minutes and 48 in the second quarter. Bola ng hot shots. Ito. Quiampo gagawa ng play for Alfonso. Corner 3, Mintes. Dito mama yung bola sa ring. Bigay kay Ikubin. Ikubin. Binigay jersey number 2. Lumabas pa rin. Jersey number 2. Offensive rebound. Steal. But counter steal by Ikubin. Jumper is good. 2 points. Tabla tayo. Alfonso against Cafe. Alfonso nakalusot. Ayun na naman. Ayun na naman yung saving the ball. Papatamain sa katawan ng kalaban para maibalik yung possession. Napakagaling ng mga batang to. Alfonso with a 3. Dito lang pala sa kabila. Papasok yung 3-pointer niya. 2 attempt doon sa kabila at hindi pumasok. Jersey number 9. He is fouled by Serrano. Tingnan natin itong instant replay. Sa kabilang side naman, Quiampo to Ikubin. Ito yung play nila kanina. And this time, pumasok na. And Ikubin scored for hot shots. May baba sa isa ang Kalamangan. Miss. Ito. Advance. Jersey number 1. Layup is good. Walang bantay. Easy 2. Balik Kalamangan dito for hot shots. 30-31. Quiampo. Good recovery. 2 points. Napakabilis itong Quiampo. Intercepted by Galay. Ayun, steal. Napakaliit. Napakaliit. At may putback pa. Sayang. Jersey number 1 again. Back-to-back basket for hot shots. Fighter kay Mabata. Alfonso na libre. Titira again. Airball. Ikubin. Seconds to play in the second quarter. Mintes, jersey number 2 with a putback. 32-35. 7 seconds. Quiampo nakalusot. Kick out to Alfonso. Will try again. Mintes. And that's the end of the second quarter. Score natin 35-32. Natapos ang ating second quarter. Nakuha ang Kalamangan ng hot shots na 3 puntos. Alright, back to the bowl game for the third quarter. Action, this is the Elite Basketball Year-End Bakbakan 2025. Live at Almendras Gym, Davao City. Live stream powered by Court Vision. Big shout out to our Commissioner, Coach JR. And thank you to all parents na nandito, na sumusuporta sa kanilang mga anak. Galanza against Alfonso. Pasa sa gitna. Amper. Almost lost it. Pilit yung tira. Mintes. Sa corner, Alfonso. Cross pass to jersey number 13. Three-pointer miss. Cafe with the rebound. Icobin with the ball. Advance pass. Scoop layup is good. By jersey number 9. First basket dito sa third quarter. Good defense. Alfonso. To jersey number 13. Balik kay Alfonso. Almost lost it. Crossover. Alfonso, atake. Nabitawan ulit. Na-recover. Naipasa. Serrano miss. Offensive rebound by jersey number 25. Three-pointer. Still miss. And become. Ilang possession yan. Inamadali yung mga tira. Icobin with the ball. Icobin. Sa gitna. Drop pass. Intercepted. Miss. That's a turnover. Alfonso to Serrano. Jersey number 13 for 3. Mintes. Galanza rebound. He is fouled by Alfonso. And labas muna. Pasok ulit dito si Campo. Icobin driving from the baseline and scored. Pasa-pasa pa kasi ito si Icobin kanina pa. And this time, gumagawa na paraan para umiscore. Ampere with the rebound. Galanza. Pull the trigger. Miss the three-pointer. Campo. Running. Spinning. Nakalusot. Kick out to Serrano for a long two. Mintes. Galanza humaharurot. 2 points. No answer dito for MBCom. 32-41 ang ating score. Sa third quarter. Barry. Sana Briery or Barry? Di ka na mabasa. Barry? Barry? Huh? Barry, no? Oh, the big man. Down on the floor. Ano nangyari doon? Campo miss. Tumayo lang si... tingnan natin ano nangyari doon. Medyo na blur. Oh, yun. An awkward landing. Pero, thankfully, okay lang. Tumayo lang din. Pinakiramdaman. Good pass. In traffic, jersey number 2. Put back, wala. Byrie. Good steal by Zamora. Zamora all the way using the glass. Mintes. Cafe lost the ball. Out of bounds. Last touch. Shout out to 23 live viewers. Very active dito sa holiday season. Ito mga bata. Jumper no good. Galanza. Paso Icubin. Spinning. He is fouled. 2 free throw for Icubin. This is our day 2. Meron pa tayong day 3 and day 4 sa mga gustong manood ng mga laro. Pumunta lang po kayo dito sa Almendras Gym, Davao City. Pa-shout out Real Zach Lomaino. Shout out sa iyo, kuya. 41-32. Mintes. And jersey number 2 with a putback. Corner, long 2. In and out. Napakabilis. Lost the ball. Garbo. Barry. 2 points. That's the first field goal dito sa third quarter for MB Camp. And another steal. And a block. Chase down block by Estor. Icubin, reverse. Wala. Jersey number 2, miss. Got fouled. Tingnan natin yung napakagandang depensa dito. Jersey number 9, Zamora. With a steal by Barry. And an advanced pass, but Istor didn't give up. Napakagandang chase down block. First free throw miss by jersey number 7. Jersey number 2. Classmate ko yan, number 99, number 10, 17 of MB from Jezreel Lumaino. Ayan, grabe yung suporta. 43-34, di pumasok yung pangalawa. Sa gitna, cancel yung tira. Binigay kay Serrano. Labas kay Alfonso. Alfonso pinilit yung tira. Mintes, jersey number 25, offensive rebound. What a shot! Is there no look pass? Jersey number 12. And jersey number 2 is fouled. Tingnan natin kung nahabol ba ng ating replay. Eto, Estor. Napakagandang pasa dun sa baseline. But missed the shot ni Garbo. Free throw. Pasok. 36 minutes and 15 seconds in the third quarter. Pasok pa rin. 2 out of 2 for Ampere. Shout out Zach Cosin Umpa, jersey number 33 of Hooper's Bounce Bar by Garmore Yan, thank you po. Shout out sa iyo. Thank you for watching. Please share ating live. Live po tayo dito sa Court Vision Facebook page. 3-pointer miss by Alfonso Seriano. Ayun na naman yung tira ni jersey number 99. Mintes. One minute and 15 in the third quarter. Store against Campo, against Alfonso. Canceran, tutuloy. Double pump, Mintes, Garbo, offensive rebound. But Mapano, recover the ball. Deflected by Store, good defense. Very reliable. Offensive defense, Store. Kayang dumepensa, kayang Umopensa. Kayang gumawa ng mga pasa. That's Istor, jersey number 24. And out of bounds. Turnover. Zamora, Ampere. Jumper is good for the big man. (36-47), and that's the end of the third quarter. Score natin 47-36. Abante dito ang hot shots. And tingnan natin itong instant replay hatid sa atin ng Elite Basketball. Bago matapos ang ating third quarter, Store with the ball. Cancera, no look pass to Ampere. Okay, back to the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. Store, inbound the ball to Mapayo. Store, humingi ng screen. Store, gustong lumusot. Binigay sa big man. And traveling violation. And coach instructed Ampere na itaas niya yung bola. Huwag sa baba. Kasi napakataas niya. Nasa kanya yung advantage ng height. Estor with a steal. Advance pass to Mapayo. And nabitawan yung bola. And steal by Garbo. To Estor. Jumper. Lumabas. Garbo. Offensive rebound. He is fouled. 2 free throw. Mintes. Second throw. Mintes pa rin. Ampere tries to recover that rebound. Pero out of bounds. Campo. Calling a play. Bigay sa gitna kang jersey number 25. Nilabas yung bola. Balik kay Campo. Balik kay Serrano. Sa corner. To Byrie. Bounce pass inside. But still by Ampere. Store against Campo. Dalawang magaling na point guard. And a defender. Store. To Mapayo. Miss. Advance pass. Out of bounds. Masyado malakas, sabi ni Campo. Hindi pa siya nakaposition doon. Nandun pa si Store. Dikit ng dikit. Sa gitna. Ampere. Napaka-threat nitong batang to. A big man that can shoot sa labas at sa ilalim. .36-49 ang ating score. 6 minutes and 20. Again, Ampere na naman. Yun na naman yung play. And traveling. Labas na si Ampere. And Icobin will back to the floor. Quiampo. Pass to Alfonso. Alfonso. Balik kay Quiampo. Mintes. Dito sa low post, Icobin. Atake. Reverse is good. Napakagaling sa ilalim nitong Icobin. And a steal by Marano. And a basket count. Ano yun? Oh, that's an offensive foul. Jersey number 34. 5 minutes in the fourth and final quarter. Byrie. And a double dribble. Labas na si Canceran. Pasok din sa Cafe. Store. Pasa sa gitna. Ayun, drop pass. Napakaganda. Yung defender. Nasa ibabaw lahat. Ready to defend the big man. Marano. Alfonso nakalusot. And he is fouled. Bagsak. Tingnan natin itong napakagandang play by Hotshots. Ayun. Kanina pa tong play na to for the big man. Ayun. All eyes doon sa big man. Kaya nabakante yung ilalim and Cafe. Next game natin. 11 under Papa G versus down low. 53-38 ang ating score. And again, but this time Cafe miss. Kuha niya pa rin yung offensive rebound in a reverse. Still miss. Offensive rebound na naman. Mintes, another offensive rebound and a basket count. Tingnan natin itong instant replay. Hatid sa atin ng Elite Basketball. Grabe yung possession ng rebound. And ayun. Nakasabit. Bonus throw. 3-point play. And complete. 4 minutes dito sa fourth and final quarter. Byrie. Jumper is good. 16-point lead. Hot shots. And sumisigaw yung mga kakilala. Nice pass to Cafe. 2 points. No stop for MB Camp. Dito sa possession ng hot shots. Byrie. There's a foul underneath. Tingnan natin itong instant replay. First free throw pasok. Delote, last throw. Mintes, Ikubin rebound. Store. Ito naman yung play. No, from the low post. Ikubin na naman. He is fouled. 2 free throw. Ikubin will shoot 2. Ikubin. 3 minutes and 4 dito sa fourth quarter. Mintes, second throw. Mintes pa rin. Ikubin, offensive rebound. Jump shot no good. Serrano. And bad pass. Bounce pass inside to Cafe and scored. (60-41). 2 minutes and 30 seconds dito sa fourth and final quarter. Grabe yung mga kamay. Oh, nice behind the back pass. Soriano. Na libre. 2-pointer. Pasok para for jersey number 17. 43-62. Mabano. Nabitawan. Recovered. Traveling violation. Traveling. Back to back for both teams. Bayer. Tingnan natin. Ito ang replay. Instant replay hatid sa atin ng Elite Basketball. Serrano. Got harassed there. Finds jersey number 17. Libre doon sa corner. Made the shot. 2 points for MB Camp. Ikubin. That big step and scored. One minute and 10. Byrie. Sizing up Mabano. Pass deflected. Ball stays to MB Camp. We have a timeout. Score natin 64-43. Magbabalik po tayo. Alright, back to the ball game. 54-43. Lamang pa rin dito ang hot shots. Seconds to play. 3-pointer. Byron miss. Cafe with the rebound. Bigay kay jersey number 29. Napakaliit pero napakabilis. Napakagaling na point guard. Bigay kay Mabano. Kick out pass. Step back. Labas. Byre. Bounce pa sa ilalim. Nilabas, binalik kay Byre, and he is fouled. (44-64). And that's it. That's the final buzzer. Final score 64-44. Hot shots. Congratulations.